In textile printing, time means profit. How can factories meet tighter deadlines and higher quality demands without sacrificing speed or reliability? That's the challenge every production line faces. Now, meet the Sublistar DTF-6007 Turbo, a machine where high speed meets high precision. 7 printheads work in perfect coordination, built on an industrial-grade frame for unmatched performance and consistency. With print speeds reaching 52 per hour, the Turbo is designed for non-stop, large-scale textile production. The greatest challenge of multi-head systems is precision synchronization. 7 heads don't just work side by side, they must fire in microsecond precision, with balanced ink flow and perfect timing. Sublistar's multi-head smart sync algorithm ensures seamless head coordination, accurate white base coverage, and flawless gradient transitions, even at full speed. Speed never compromises quality. The Turbo achieves perfectly even white layers, smooth tonal gradients, and razor-sharp line precision, all maintained through mechanical accuracy and advanced software control. Curing defines the final result. The Smart Heat Balance system uses multi-point sensors and dynamic airflow to maintain perfectly even curing across the film, preventing white cracking or color shifting. Even during 12-hour continuous runs, we redesigned the ink supply and cooling system for 7-head coordination. Each line has intelligent pressure feedback for automatic flow correction, while the solid cast iron frame and anti-vibration rails guarantee precision under full-speed motion. Now let's see the numbers. A 4-head DTF printer typically produces around 100 to 250 pieces per hour, with a cost of approximately $1 to $4 per piece. A 7-head industrial DTF printer can usually reach 600 plus pieces per hour. The material cost per piece can drop to as low as about 60 cents to $1.50. That's 80% more productivity with 20% less energy consumption.
To be honest, at first, we just want to replace our machine with one that prints faster and delivers better quality. But at the moment, the DTF-6007 Turbo started running, we just realized that it's not just another machine. It's incredibly fast, yes, but what truly amazed us is the color stability and the wet coverage. We ran it for an entire day. Almost no ink breaks or color shift. Before, we often had to stop the production for cleaning or maintenance. But now, this machine runs almost 24 hours a day, quietly and reliably, like the most dependable team member of our team. And what really makes the difference is the Sublistar team. They don't just sell the printers, they helped us build a complete production system. From training to calibration to the after sale, they're always there. And for us, the DTF-6007 Turbo is not just a tool. It represents a shift from reactive production to confident control. It gives us the power and the confidence to take on bigger projects and empire.
The Sublistar DTF-6007 Turbo isn't just a printer. It's a complete industrial solution. From structure to software, from design to finished product, every detail is engineered for continuous, profitable production. Choose Sublistar and step into the era of high speed, high quality, and high reliability. Sublistar DTF-6007 Turbo, setting the new standard for industrial DTF printing.